Hi friends. Functions keys F1 to F12. Key F1. F1 key press. All software help. For example. Next key F2 press. Click the folder and file, etc. rename. For example. Next key F3 press. Search right name. For example. Next key Alt plus F4 press. The program close. For example. Next key F5 press. Computer refresh. For example. Next key F6 press. Browser AdX bar highlight new AdX right dot for example. Next key F7 press. MS Word Grammar Mystic. Next
For
key
example.
F8 press. Windows Safe Mode. Next key F9 press. Refresh document in MS Word. And send and receive email in MS Outlook. Next key F10 press. Windows menu bar activated. For example. Next key F11 press. Full screen browser and etc. for example. And key F12 press. Open the Save As window in MS Word. Control plus F12 opens a document in Word. Shift plus F12 saves the MS Word document like Control plus S. Control plus Shift plus F12 prints a document in MS Word. Bye bye.